Well, hey guys, I didn't stay outside very long last night, or tonight, but man, I came back in the van and it's really cold in here. Normally it doesn't get that cold, but it's taking a long time to warm up. But I'm in bed, just laying, relaxing. Is what it is. Probably gonna get up early, drive to work, even earlier than normal. And again, a lot of times I don't tell you guys, hey, I showered today, showered tomorrow. But that's probably what I'm going to do in the morning. But I'm just sitting here, well, laying here, hanging out, enjoying my nice bed. But hey, I'm going to keep doing that. We will see you in the AM. Good morning, everybody. The chili went out in the woods, 4 degrees. Basically about 10 degrees cooler out here than in the city. So, we're heading to work. Taking care of business. And then, we're heading to work. So, tonight, we are staying in town. Ugh. Saw something over there laying down. I can't tell what it was. Anyways, we are going to be in town tonight because tomorrow we are going to the DMV to hopefully get everything taken care of with my driver's license. And it should be, I was told everything will be fine. So, yeah, my weather station's really pissing me off. I'm pretty sure it's the batteries that are doing this. But now the one in the garage keeps disconnecting and going out. I have a feeling the water cabinet is going to do that next. I put new batteries in the outdoor sensor and I got it to reconnect. But like last night, it got cold, so it disconnects again, goes off. So I think it is the batteries. But I think these are also just cheaper sensors. I mean, I can't believe that because my little outdoor one that I've had forever is about as cheap as you can get. And that thing's going on at least a year and a half. I know I had it the entire time in the Sorrento. I don't remember if I had it before the Sorrento or before I started living out of the Sorrento. I can't remember. But yeah, that thing's still going fine, running perfect. Same set of batteries. I've got another indoor sensor that I have against the wall that I used to have hanging in the Sorrento. That thing I've had for 4 years. Actually, longer than that, maybe 6 years. So I had it before I started hiking the PCT for about a year. So this is like going on, 6, 7, maybe even almost 7 years. I've only changed the batteries in that like twice. I don't know. All right, we're gonna head to work. I'm getting off the forest road, so I will talk to you guys on the flip side. Well, good evening, folks, and surprise, we're back in the woods. I'll tell you why in a minute, but I goofed up this morning. When I left here to go to work, I forgot to shut the diesel heater off. I remembered in a stretch where it's 55 mile an hour. I pulled off, reached back to the remote, hit the off button a couple times. Normally it catches it. It did not. So going down the road a little further, I started to smell a funny smell. So I pulled back over, climbed into the van, or the back of the van, and we shut the diesel heater off. Got some issues with smell after that. So what we want to do tonight is we're going to fire her up and see if a bunch of smoke comes out, if it fires up,
just if I screwed the diesel heater up, but hopefully we didn't. So, all right, I'm going to kick her on and see what happens. Does not feel like it came on. It's not showing a code. Just turn it on right here. That way I can see what I'm doing. All right, so it is on. Okay, it's got to purge for a minute. That's a good thing. And then we're going to see what happens when we hear a tick. Probably shouldn't stand right in front of the exhaust, huh? In case a fireball shoots out. I'll get over here near the fire. That's much safer. Quality content. Okay, a little steam or smoke, but I mean that's not too bad. What I was worried about is if okay, I can hear it kicking. What I was worried about is if there was diesel going in and it got a fault in the air thing and it had diesel in the heater. That's the same smell I smelled earlier. Okay, that is some smoke. I don't want those fumes in the van. Yeah, it's smoking pretty good. Oh! That's what I was worried about. Probably shouldn't have the fire so close. In case those are diesel. That's what I was worried about, that there would be some diesel in there and we'd get some, gas and fumes. Definitely glad I remember to do this here now, All right, it's pretty much just smelling like regular diesel or diesel heater exhaust now. I'm going to turn that up all the way high. I mean, it was already on high because obviously it's not 60 degrees with the door open. Little bit of smoke coming out of the drip port of the. That might actually be moisture in the bottom of the muffler. Well, it doesn't look like we did any damage. That's a good sign. Yeah, I think that must be moisture coming out of the bottom of the muffler, because there's no smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. I think that's just probably a little bit of condensation that's settled in the muffler over the day. Yeah, that barely smells at all. It just regular exhaust diesel smoke smell. Take a look in there, make sure I don't. All right, I think we're okay, everybody. I'm going to take one little look under here, if I can. See if I can see the exhaust or intake pipe. I don't remember where I ran that. Yeah, oh, there it is. Okay. Yep, that's all fine. All right. Looks like we didn't cause any problems. Let's go ahead and get this thing kicked back off. No smell inside. Turn it back down to where we'll have it tonight. Still ticking away. There it goes. Got to hold the off button for a little while on that. Okay. Looks like we averted disaster. So, sorry about the light. I'll get everything put back around and we'll talk for a minute or two. All right, guys, I'm happy to know that we didn't cause an issue. Come on. With the diesel heater. That I don't know if you could see it on the camera. Whew. But there was quite a bit of smoke came out of that. So I think there was quite a bit of diesel that didn't, burn out when I shut it off. Because like I said, I started getting the smell, and that's when I pulled over the second time, I think it was when I pulled over the second time, because I realized it probably wasn't off. Or you know what? It might have been after it was after the second time I got the smell. So I don't know what was going on, because I did see it turn itself, turn off when I got into the back of the van. But then a few miles down the road, I got the smell. It was really strong. So, anyways, looks like everything's good. Nothing looks damaged. Thank gosh, that thing has been a champ. And I definitely don't want to do something stupid like that and screw it up. You know what I mean? But hey, that's a good thing. So hey guys, the reason I came back out here tonight is it's beautiful tonight. It's supposed to be really nice tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, and then like the next 3 days or something like that, rain, sleet, snow, cruddy crud. I don't want to sit in the DMV on a nice pretty day. I'd rather maybe there's a hike around here that I'm thinking about taking. I'm gonna see how far away it is, and maybe we'll do that tomorrow. But my next day off, tomorrow the day after, is gonna be cruddy. So I might as well sit inside at the DMV, do laundry, all that kind of stuff on a cruddy day instead of a nice day tomorrow. So that's why we're back out here. But good thing the diesel heater's okay. You know how I praise that diesel heater. But, all right. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing. As always, I appreciate it. And it helps the channel. And you guys have a great morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. I also, well, we'll just talk about this. I ran some errands. I bought some things. If we don't go hiking, or even if we do, maybe we will put it in the van tomorrow. I don't know. But that's for tomorrow. So, okay. We'll see you later on Jellybean Outdoors.